Àtọpọlọ àti kọ̀ǹkọ̀. What differences?
Darling, once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 occlusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect the special union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2 occlusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Àtọpọlọ àti kọ̀ǹkọ̀. What differences?
Abugo.
What do you know?
Some people are happy that
Who is happy?
Me.
No, it's shaking like you.
No, it's she. It was
I thought everyone should be happy as they're always quarreling.
What is wrong with quarreling? Eh? Don't you quarrel?
I wonder. Don't mind him. Sister Julie. You don't have to go now. You can tell Mommy P. You can tell Mommy P that you don't want to go.
Yes, sir. After all, she's the one fighting with Papa, not you.
Yes. Look, it is their quarrel. Let them settle it.
Later. Bye-bye.
Sister Jumoke, if you go now, what am I going to be quarreling with?
Bolaji.
Sister Jumoke. Sister.
Don't count me. Don't me.
But Arabi, we must do something though.
Let us plan.
So you concluded that my sister is sweetening with Mbada. Megwa.
And she is sweeting with plenty other mbagadas. And she wants to kill my sister with African jazz.
You shut up your mouth there, headland. When men are talking,
women should put their mouth in the permanent position of some.
But Mama, what else?
She has passed from woman to man.
Alika, I look like man.
What they take woman to do will not take you do am again. So therefore you are not a man. Well, you've been man. When you
how you go call me man?
So, in-law, did you catch my sister Peace red-handed in the act?
Well,
he bought her gizim.
And where is the gizim now?
Laughing jackass. God don't catch you. Give him the phone.
Where is the gizim?
Alaraka. Give him the phone now. Give him the phone.
Brother, because where is him?
Is this the phone?
That is the phone Mbagada bought for her.
I bought this phone for her to be using in calling me whenever she feels like killing somebody. Here, I bought it for her. Take. Here.
Thank you.
Is there any other evidence?
She refused to swear. So she's guilty.
Oh yes, guilty.
I will not swear. I will go to my father's house. I won't swear.
Go.
Please, Cheregodi, just wait. Just wait first. Peace.
Brother.
I want to ask you a question. Are you sweating with this Mbada man they are talking about?
Yeah. Brother Ras.
Look, Peace, you must swear.
You must swear, no? You have to swear.
Brother, who are you supporting?
I weak you.
He is on the side of truth.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. So you must swear.
You must swear.
Darling.
Wow. Where are these ones going?
I am taking them to Mbada's house.
No one is taking any of my children out of this house.
Oh, Mama, just come inside. You people should come inside. How are you? How are you?
Which children? I gave birth to them. They are mine. I will take them to wherever I go.
I beg you, take them and fly. What are you waiting for? Pack them and fly out of this house. Good riddance to bad and smelly rubbish.
I'm sorry for you. Even if I tear you into pieces, which vulture will agree to eat you? Then nobody.
Please don't tear anybody into pieces. Just wait. Now, Chief, back to the swearing. I want you to go and bring the Bible that you want to have to read.
Quran.
Quran?
Bajamiu is coming with the fa. Then all I go clear like a bonga fish.
Let us not hurry you. And even to know whose eye is going to open. Let us not hurry you.
Ṣé mi leleyin bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ṣá? Eléyìí kobokobo yìí. Ajokuta máa mú mi èmi ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn.
O yan na po mi koda.
Brother Biko happy.
Eh, gwa na kam.
Bá ja yo so bo si la le. Kobokobo na futa máa mú mi.
My in-law. Sorry,
It's okay.
Don't worry. Sister, please.
Look, my in-law. I have agreed to everything you want, as you see me here, because I'm a very peace-loving man.
Oh, yes.
You see, in my place, If a man accuses his wife of such a thing, the man too must swear.
Oh yes.
To be sure that he knows what he is saying.
Look, I swear and I'm sure.
I swear. And I'm very sure.
Yeah.
And not I swear to. I swear to. You people should not hurry to swear. Have you swear with Ogugu before?
Oh.
Have you swear with Ogugu? I came with Ogugu. Ogugu. Mbane.
Ogugu
You swear that you have never had any affair against her.
Oh, yes. You will swear. You will know that you are not the only one with a personal juju.
Chief, woman, you are going to swear that you will never have any affair against her.
Chief, you will also swear that you will never in your whole life have any affair against her.
Audio. Yes. Chief, you are going to swear. Chief, you are going to swear.
Oh yes.
Wow. Chief, you swear.
I cannot swear. Chief, you have to swear.
You will swear. You will swear that you are not having any affair against her.
You have to swear.
Chief, you will swear.
You are not.
You will swear. You will swear that you will never have any affair against her.
That is an offense, a very dangerous offense. Let me ask you, Chief. Have you seen a man that Ogugu made pregnant before?
But I was not the one that accused her now. I was not the one that accused her.
Then this one will swear. Then this one will swear. You will swear. You will swear.
Yeah, Caro is Caro.
I did not. You said that she was about to kill
Caro, you swear.
I will not swear. Let her swear.
You will swear.
Caro, you swear. Swear.
No.
You swear.
I cannot swear.
I cannot swear. I cannot swear. Can't you people see that I'm pregnant?
You cannot swear because you are pregnant. Is that what you want to talk? Look, my friend. If you don't want that child inside your womb to be like Ngwere, to be like lizard, you better swear now. If you are sure that my sister Peace want to kill Chief.
Bam. Oh yes, swear.
She's not planning anything, no.
Sure.
Peace is innocent. They said that if I do not say it, let me say I'm an accomplice.
Everybody is dodging now.
What's happening?
We swear now.
What happened here?
The mess you messed is smelling. Me. Mess.
I know mess.
You swear.
For mess. I mess, but I no mess now.
You swear?
Ntori so.
Swear, Bo. Swear. Are you not the one who is always talking about juju today, juju tomorrow, this, that, juju, wine? Swear.
Bam. Swear now.
Yeah, why?
It's time to swear. Swear, Bo. It's time to swear. Swear, Bo.
Swear now.
Chief, let me ask you again. Are you not accusing her again?
But my peaceful yellow tomatoes knows that I can never and have never believed that she was planning to kill me. You know,
baby boy.
My peaceful peace. You know that I know that she will. You know that I will never be.
Chief Abmaka, swear.
Swear.
No, I said swear. Chief, leave me
I will cut him. I will cut him. You are falling down.
Drama ya dangerous mabandi akuja Mungu erasa.
Die! Look, Chief, my in-law, you must pay for the damages of this soup. This West you scattered. My in-law must pay for damages.
Yes, that inside.
For the damages of this soup.
It's a week. Carol is a week. Always you monopolize it.
Mommy, monopolize.
Right if me see like that.
Look at her. Mommy, do you know that she caused this confusion?
You talk too much.
British Cora. British Cora. You by your mistress. Yeah.
Keep quiet.
You are in trouble.
Take your
British Cora.
Take your.
You two whatever.
You people destroy the roof.
You just touched my hair. I didn't touch your hair. What happened in my hair? What did you do?
Women will cause third world war.
Not only third world war, they will cause 50 world war.
It's your fault.
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two.
I don't know.